Will your investment portfolio weather the upcoming financial crisis? Some financial experts predict the next financial crisis will be bigger than 2008. The world economy is sleepwalking into a future crisis, said Gordon Brown, former UK Prime Minister. The world is less well-equipped to manage a major financial crisis today than it was a decade ago, said ex-IMF chief Strauss-Kahn. A 2019 survey by the National Association for Business Economics revealed that 72% of economists predicted that a recession would occur in the U.S. by the end of 2021. The U.S. and world economies are facing several threats to their financial health. Pick your poison. Student loans outstanding have skyrocketed from $611 billion in 2008 to around $1.5 trillion today. Auto loans at nearly $1.25 trillion have exceeded the 2008 total, while credit card balances are just as high now as before the Great Recession. Global debt, a result of central bankers flooding economies with cheap money to lift them out of a funk, is now $247 trillion, up from $177 trillion in 2008. That is close to 2.5 times the size of the global economy. What asset class can protect your portfolio and even help you generate some solid gains in times of crisis? There's only one asset class that performs consistently well in times of economic turmoil: precious metals. Gold bullion thrives in times of crisis. See for yourself, numbers don't lie. The numbers show that including gold within an existing retirement account could improve investment performance by either increasing returns without increasing risk or by reducing risk without adversely affecting returns. If it's good for celebrity and high net worth investors, why isn't it good for you? I believe that it would be both risk reducing and return enhancing to consider adding gold to one's portfolio, said Ray Dalio. Regal Assets has helped thousands of investors diversify, protect, and grow their portfolios with alternative investments, such as physical gold and cryptocurrencies. See why our clients love us. Regal Assets is the only gold company endorsed by celebrity investors, such as Laura Ingraham, Dennis Miller, and Lars Larson. Want to learn more?